Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to add percentage off price on Shopify. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now here, as you can see guys, this is my own store. I have just created this one in order to make you this tutorial. So let's go down and see here in the products that I have a product with a discount from 700 to 500 pounds. And here you can see this tag icon right here with this text on it. But now what I want to actually do is to show here the percentage of this discount, and also I want to make it a precise percentage. So if we look here at this price, the old price, which is 700, and this one is the 500, when we calculate how percentage is this offer, we will see that it is about 500 over 700 multiplied by 100. So this means that we have about 29% offer or something. So now let's jump into the method. Now, first thing you should do is to open your dashboard on the Shopify. Here, as you can see, you can do any adjustments from this page. And now what you're going to do is to click on online store, then choose your own store and click on these three dots right here. Then click on edit code. And now what you're going to do right now is to search for product. Then go down till you find here in snippets section, you have this option right here called product liquid. Click on it. Then it will show you this code right here. Go down till you find near 139 or 133 line. You will find between these lines this code right here, which has this text right here, products.product.on_sale. Now what you're gonna do right now is to simply copy this sentence or this line right here and put it inside a notepad or anything that you can save this code on, just in case you have to have a backup. Then what you're gonna do right now is to simply delete this code and replace it with the code that I'm gonna leave in the description or going to be shown on the screen right now. So I'm gonna take this code right here, copy it, then go back to this code. As you can see here, I'm hovering over line number 139. I'm gonna replace it with the new codes right here. As you can see now, I have replaced it. Now after copying this code, you have to save the changes, and there was a window right here that prevented me from seeing these options, so I removed it by clicking on the X icon. Then now here, as you can see, you have this save icon right here. Just click on it and that is it. Now your changes are saved, and now we can go back to your store and refresh this page and go down till you find out that here, as you can see, it will show you the exact offer with precise percentage. We calculated this percentage in the beginning of the video, so it was about around 29 or 2080. So as you can see here, it calculated it precisely, and that was the method. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.